U.S. court orders Chicago State University to release Tinubu's credentials. The United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois has ordered Chicago State University, CSU, to release the credentials of President Bola Tinubu. U.S. land of principle. It wasn't any hard for them to follow their laws. In Nigeria, they will tell you stories. There, it doesn't matter if the evidence is against the president. Clinton's semen was required during the Monica Lewinsky scandal. The law is powerful over there. Atiku's request was properly forwarded and the right things were done. Meanwhile, Tinubu's credentials shows that he graduated from CSU in 1979 with a bachelor's degree in business administration, accounting and management, but there have been allegations bordering on discrepancies in his certificates. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the 2023 election, has approached the court seeking to compel the university to release Tinubu's record on the grounds that the documents will strengthen his suit challenging the president's electoral victory. On September 19th, Jeffrey Gilbert, a U.S. magistrate court, granted the request and ordered CSU to release the Tinubu's academic record within 24 hours. Tinubu, however, filed an appeal against the order. Atiku also asked the U.S. court to overrule Tinubu's objection. The university also said it will release the president's file if a U.S. court grants the order. In a memorandum opinion and order issued by Nancy Maldonado, the judge, the court overruled Tinubu's objections to the application filed by Atiku seeking the release of president's record with the university. Let's read the ruling for you. In the reasons stated in this memorandum, opinion, and order, the court overrules President Tinubu's objections and adopts Judge Gilbert's recommended decision in full, the court said. The court therefore grants Mr. Abubakar application under 28 U.S.C. 1782 CSU is directed to respond to Mr. Abubakar's subpoena in the time and manner provided for below. In reaching this conclusion, the court emphasizes that it is expressing no view on the merits of Mr. Abubakar's claim regarding President Tinubu's graduation from CSU or on the validity of the Nigerian election. Nor is the court taking any position on what any of the documents of the testimony from CSU may or may not ultimately show. These are all matters for the Nigerian courts to resolve under the Nigerian law, and it is not appropriate for this U.S. court to opine on such issues or attempt to predict how foreign courts might ultimately rule if and when they are presented with any evidence from CSU. That is to say, the courts of the U.S. will only order such documents to be forwarded to Atiku based on the request, but they will not determine what the Nigerian court will do with the documents. The Nigerian court has the right to interpret it the way they want, but theirs in the U.S. is an order for it to be provided to Atiku. Depends on what Atiku will do with it.